Hi guys, so today's video is about two topics which the world knows already, which the world knows it's wrong, but when it happens in our homes, in our surroundings, with our friends, we tend to make a joke about it, or we push it aside, or we ignore it. But then when it happens in a big scale, we go on rallies, you know we condemn the act, we put statuses, we put status, and we change our dps and all that stuff. So I think you guys know all of it by now, what the topics are. One topic is racism, and another topic is body shaming. So I'll not go deep into each of the topics because all of us have read n number of articles, seen n number of videos regarding what is body shaming, what is racism, when can it be considered as body shaming, when can it be considered as racism, what are the consequences of all of it, and how can we even go to an extent of losing the loved one because of these two things. But so I'm not going to speak about all of it because we already know enough about it, but I'm going to speak about few of the facts that I feel that is really required for us as an individual to change in ourselves, so that there is a change in the society. Because as we all know, we really need to clean our homes first, our surroundings first, and then go on cleaning the roads outside, or tell others to clean their houses. So let's look at these points, let's analyze on them, and let's get in the change. And that's it, let's bring a happy world again. So let's get started. So body shaming is a topic that is very near and dear to me, even racism for a point. So let's talk something about me and then start what are the changes I really need, and I really think that I need it right now. So, as I said in my previous videos, I was always a kid that was called fat, even before I knew, even before I knew what being fat really is. So, back then I never realized that how it might hurt somebody else, because I have been, people have been telling me that I'm fat, I'm, calling me names and whatnot. And I have always been, I've grown up listening to all of this, even from my near and dear ones, or somebody who's really close to me, or somebody don't whom I don't even know. It's been happening, and for the past, I'm 27, maybe from the past 20 years at least, I've been growing up listening to things like about how fat I am. And back then I was in sports, so I used to go out a lot, and I was always tanned. And I used to always listen comments like how I got my dad's, how I resemble my dad even in color these days. So, because he's on a little darker side. So, I have grown up listening to all of this. And honestly speaking, regarding the body shaming, I never really felt bad about it, but I was always amused because, according to me, I thought I was not that fat enough back then. But I was always amused when people called me like with names. I don't even want to take all of it. So I thought, because it's happening to me, it's okay that is happening outside also. But after a point of time, I started feeling bad. I started feeling, not so confident about my own tan, about my color, about my skin, because you know people used to say, you're so dark, this color doesn't suit you, that color doesn't suit you, are you okay coming to the wedding? Look at your face, you've tanned so bad, you look so dark, and you totally resemble your dad right now, you don't even have your mom's color. And why are you so fat? And what do you eat like that? Do you eat everybody's portion of the meals? So I've kind of grown up listening to all of it, and there are some things that I have been wondering from the past years, as from when I started really feeling bad, and I started to know that it's really not okay to, comment on anybody's body. It's really not okay to comment on their color. even for joke, even for a joke. There are so many things that we do wrong. First things first is that we have grown up passing comments and passing jokes on other people's color and their body type. Like, sometimes we don't really mean to demean them to make them feel low, but what we tend to not understand is just because they're laughing at us, it's really not okay for us to keep doing it again and again, or even do it at the first place. I don't understand why every conversation that we have, I mean, just pay attention the next time when all of your friends get together or when all of your relatives get together. Every conversation we have in and around us has to have a single topic that is related to either body shaming or racism. That really needs to stop right now, because we think it's just among ourselves, we think it's just for our friends for joke and time pass. But what we tend to forget and what we tend to ignore is that this habit of making a conversation on topics like body shaming and racism becomes so bad in us that even when we go outside, we tend to pass comments without even our notice. If we might not say it in front of them, but then we might start saying it in back of them, and then one or the other day it might by mistake come out of our mouth on their face. And another thing is that I have been laughing at all the jokes, at all the body shaming comments that have been passed on me. They think, either they think they are motivating me, they think I'll get angry and I'll lose my weight, or I might start taking care of myself. They might think that it's just a joke, and I am a sports person, so I have the sportsman spirit to take all of it. I'm very sporting. They think because I'm laughing it's okay. But what they tend to not realize is, the more they talk about my body and how bad I am, the more they are gonna, try to mess with my morale. The more they try to demean me, they demotivate me. Because personally, me, and I know a lot of them, when you talk about their body, when you talk about their color, they won't work towards. Sometimes they will not work towards making it perfect, but they might make it more worse. They might start stress eating, they might do something to themselves, and they might not come out in public. So there are a lot of consequences, starting from stage 1 to even to an extent of wherein a person might try committing suicide. That has been so common these days. See, if a person from outside does it for the first time, I might even take it. But when it goes really bad and we do not know about it, it is when we have been always listening to the same thing around us, in our family, in our friends, and then even outsiders start doing it. What we feel is that till now it was just our family and friends. Now even the people outside, even the world thinks it's the same. So that means everybody thinks it's the same. And then what's left in life? Why do we tend to not understand that it's just not a joke? It's just not about starting a conversation or having a conversation. It's not just about uh, that person is smiling even if you're joking, so it's okay. No, it's not okay. That person might be smiling because they don't want to pick a fight on you. That person might be smiling because they just want you to stop and they just shut your bloody mouth. I'm sorry for the language, I'm sorry. They just want you to shut your mouth and change the topic. They might just want to ignore it, or you never know, they are depressed from inside and they might have just accepted the fact that this is what is going to happen. So guys, we it's really high time that we make these small changes and we realize all these things that we have been doing wrong all the while, and we change it. And no, it's really not okay to even joke about anybody's body or anyone's color. No, it's not a joke to have a conversation that involves this. Even if we do not know the person, even if the person is not around us, it's really bad. It's a no that we, even discuss about things like this. We have so many topics to discuss. There are so many other gossips, because if you really want gossips, there are so many other gossips that we want to know that might not harm anyone. But no, guys, not this. Having said all of this to the people who do body shame, I will also want to tell one big point to the person who gets body shamed. So, guys, if you think anybody is body shaming you, and even if you think it is for joke or they do not mean to harm you and it will just pass on with the time, or it is the first time they are doing it, guys, have the bloody audacity to just stand for yourself and go and tell straight up to that person, either in a nice way or be strict enough with a stern face, and tell that person, like, dude, or listen, what are you doing? What you are doing right now and what the words that you are speaking is really not acceptable to me, and what you're doing is called body shaming, even if it is for a joke. I have seen so many people who just shut their mouth and listen and laugh over things, and then at the end of the day get frustrated when, so listening to all of this from so many years, and then blasted the person all at once. This might break your relationships, your relationships, your friendships, and all of it. But when you tell it for the first time, if they are your real friend, if they are your real companions or mothers or father, or anyone, if they really love you, they will understand what you're saying and they will not talk about it ever again. And that is when you stop the topic even before it starts. So, as much as the responsibility it is on a person to not body shame, it is the responsibility of the person who gets body shamed to stop it then and there. So, guys, think about it and act on it right now, because this is the change we really need to get in ourselves, and that is when we can actually correct our society. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll think about whatever I've said. Bye.